Did you know that something as simple as garlic could be the key to transforming your health? Garlic has been called nature's antibiotic, a heart hero, and even a brain protector. In today's video, we're diving into 8 surprising health benefits of eating garlic, and trust me, you'll want to add this little powerhouse to your daily diet by the end. So let's get started. 1. Immunity booster. Garlic is a powerful immune booster. Rich in antioxidants and containing a compound called allicin, garlic can actually reduce the severity of colds and flu. Imagine it as a natural shield, helping your body ward off those pesky seasonal bugs. Studies show that garlic can reduce the length of illness by up to 70%. So, if you're prone to catching colds, try adding a clove or 2 to your meals. 2. Heart health hero. Now, let's talk about your heart. Garlic isn't just tasty, it's also a heart health hero. It helps lower blood pressure and reduces cholesterol levels, 2 critical factors in keeping your heart strong. Think of garlic as a tiny heart guard, working behind the scenes to improve circulation and even reduce your risk of heart disease. Studies have found that regular garlic intake can lower blood pressure, similarly to some medications. 3. Natural antibiotic. Benefit number 3 is truly amazing. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. Its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties have been used for centuries to fight infections. Garlic has been shown to combat bacterial strains like E. coli and Salmonella. If you're into natural remedies, garlic could be your new best friend. 4. Brain protector. Let's move on to the brain, one of the most surprising benefits of garlic. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which is a major factor in cognitive decline. Think of these antioxidants as bodyguards for your brain. Research shows that garlic may reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia, so you're feeding your brain health with every bite. 5. Digestive aid. Struggling with digestion? Garlic is here to help. Rich in fiber and natural prebiotics, garlic promotes healthy gut bacteria. Its fiber acts like a gentle scrub, keeping your digestive tract clean and your gut healthy. Adding garlic to your meals can improve digestion and even reduce bloating. 6. Strengthens bones. Here's something you may not know: garlic can strengthen your bones. Especially beneficial for women, garlic has been shown to increase estrogen levels, which is essential for bone health. Just a few cloves a week can make a big difference, supporting bone density and potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Enhances athletic performance. Did you know that ancient athletes used garlic to boost their endurance? It's true. Garlic was given to the earliest Olympians as a performance enhancer. Studies show that garlic can reduce fatigue and increase oxygen supply to the muscles, making it an excellent natural energy booster. If you're active, garlic could be the hidden ingredient that takes your performance to the next level. 8. Aids in detoxification. And finally, garlic is a fantastic detoxifier. Its sulfur compounds activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Think of garlic as a little cleanup crew for your body, helping to rid it of heavy metals and harmful chemicals. Add garlic to your meals, and let it work its magic in purifying your system. Tips for adding garlic to your diet. So now that you know the amazing benefits of garlic, here are some quick ways to add it to your daily diet. Crush or chop a garlic clove and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This releases the allicin compound, maximizing its health benefits. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or even salad dressings for a delicious health boost. Who knew something as simple as garlic could be so powerful, right? So why not start adding it to your daily diet and see how it makes you feel? If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips from Kitchen Hospital.